Speech 1, Test 1. Multiple choice. Number 1, a symbol. A stands for an idea. B involves dialogue. C labels every person in a group. D must be spoken. Number 2, rhetoric. A can only be written. B involves only dialogue. C is the art or study of public speaking. Number 3, an example of intrapersonal communication is A, a conversation with a friend. B, a pep rally. C, a group discussion. D, thinking over the future. Number 4, the communication process does not need A, stereotyping. B, a receiver. C, decoding. D, a message. Number 5, ethics involves one's sense of A, right and wrong. B, black and white. C, verbal and nonverbal communication. D, interpersonal and intrapersonal communication. Number 6, a sneer is an example of A, written communication. B, verbal communication. C, motivation. D, nonverbal communication. Number 7, which is communication apprehension? A, afraid to speak in public situations. B, afraid to ask directions. C, afraid to be corrected. D, afraid of ridicule. 8, to practice effectively, you should A, review your notes silently. B, practice as if you were giving the speech before an audience. C, think about what you're going to say. Number 9, which would not help you form a good first impression? A, smiling as you approach the podium. B, dressing smartly. C, careful grooming. D, not worrying about first impressions. True, false. Number 10, a strong value foundation must come before polished speaking skills if you are to become a truly effective speaker. Number 11, good interpersonal communication is preceded by intrapersonal communication. Number 12, a good speaker cannot avoid stereotyping people. Number 13, a sender of messages need not worry about feedback. Number 14, a properly motivated speaker should want to treat others fairly and to set a good example. 15, we shouldn't worry about first impressions because they don't tell much about us anyway. Number 16, confidence is closely related to self-esteem. 17, heart rate increases when we suffer from stage fright. 18, you should practice a speech out loud rather than silently. 19, high school students are rarely stereotyped. 20, a good speaker shows enthusiasm physically and verbally. 21, short answer. 21, what are the 4 steps in the communication process? '22, why are ethics important to good communication? '23, what is the best way to practice a speech?